How do journalists use a stat sheet for covering sports events? Imagine being in the middle of a game and having all the key details at your fingertips. That's what a stat sheet gives sports journalists. It's like a game's fact book, packed with numbers and facts. Journalists relying on these sheets to give accurate reports during and after the game. They track scores, player stats like points scored, assists, and rebounds in basketball, or yards gained and tackles in football. This real-time data helps them tell what's happening as it happens. Stat sheets also help reporters spot patterns or standout moments. For example, if a player suddenly scores a lot more points, the journalist can highlight that as a turning point. They can see if a team is improving defensively or if a player is having an exceptional game. These insights make stories more interesting and give fans a clearer picture of the game's flow. Today's sports journalists often use digital tools to work with these stats. They input data into spreadsheets or specialized software that creates charts and graphs. These visuals make complex data easier to understand. For example, a graph showing a player's scoring over the game can quickly show if they had a hot streak. These tools help tell a story beyond just numbers, making reports more engaging. Having detailed stats also helps journalists prepare for interviews. If they know a player's season averages or how they perform against certain teams, they can ask more informed questions. This adds depth to post-game conversations and stories. Journalists combine these facts with observations about players' emotions, coaching choices, or crowd reactions. This mix makes their coverage lively and complete. In short, stat sheets are vital for sports reporters. They provide accurate, real-time data for game summaries. They help identify key moments and trends. They support visual storytelling and prepare journalists for interviews. When used well, these sheets help create sports stories that are both trustworthy and exciting for fans.